Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on this. Are these two triangles similar? Practice 1. That was your homework question. Are they similar? Yes. Okay. You found the ratio of sides. Yes? Okay, who needs me to go through this question? Nobody. Next, part B. Are they similar? I actually gave you the answer, right? Not similar. Okay, who needs me to go through this one? To show that they are not similar. Anybody? None. Okay, moving on. Number 3 was also your homework. Find angle ABC. Part A, the answer is 120 degrees. Part B, the length is 3.75 cm. Please do your self-marking. Who needs help for this question? Part A or B? B. Okay. It is given that these two triangles are similar. All the lengths are as shown already, so this must be 120 degrees. Find the length of BC. Since these two triangles are similar, I know the ratio of the sides must be similar also. Since I'm told to find BC, I shall put it in my fraction, top left hand corner. So what is the corresponding side to BC in this diagram? What is the corresponding side? YZ? Okay. So YZ, I know it is 5. So I need the ratio of another side, another pair. What do I have? What's available? A, B, and X, Y. So time to put in the values. BC over 5 equals to 4.5 over 6. BC must be equals to 4.5 times 5 divided by 6 to give us 3.75. Can? Alright, this is also your homework. Part 1. EF 8 cm. Part 2, 40 degrees. Anybody needs me to go through? Part 1, anybody? Please do your self-marking. Part 2, anybody? None. Practice 3. AC is 8 cm. XY is 9 cm. Anybody needs help for part 1? Part 1? Okay. Part 2? Right. Let's start with part 1. These two triangles are similar. I need to be able to write down the ratio of the corresponding sides. Since I want AC, I'll put it in my top left hand corner, divided by something equals to something divided by something. Fill in the blanks. What is the corresponding side to AC? XZ, yes. So I managed to get this from the diagram. Just give me a moment. X, Z. Okay, so A and C, X and Z. Now it is divided by another. It is equal to another fraction. Something divided by something else. What else can we get from the triangle over here? Because we are putting AC as the numerator, right? So AC came from this side. I must have another side from the same triangle in the numerator. What would you like it to be? You have two options. What would you like it to be? Anybody? Another side? Come on, otherwise we can't move on. readily available for us. So AC over XZ, which is 6, is equal to 24 over 18. So AC will be given to be 8 cm. Okay, then part 2, it is a similar approach as well, so I will not go through that. You will get XY equals to 9 cm. Can? Practice 4. Also homework question. Part 1, we've got 8 cm. Part 2, 6 cm. Part 3, 25 degrees. Okay, anybody needs help? Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. Okay, just part 1 then. QP divided by, so corresponding side, what QP over here, corresponding side must be BA. Okay, QP over here, BA. So it must be the same as another fraction, which you have no choice. For the smaller triangle, you must use PR, because that's the value given to you already, PR. So PR over here must be corresponding to AC. Put in the values. QP over BA, which is 12, equals to PR, which is 4 divided by AC, which is 6. So QP equals to this 2, this is 3. 2 over 3 times 12, giving us 8 cm. Alright, Kenix? Now part 2. QR now. QR over here is corresponding to BC, which is given to us. Then it must be the same as any other side, which I prefer to use PR again. So PR with AC. Put in everything. QR over BC, 9, equals to PR, 4 divided by 6. QR equals to 2/3 of 9, which gives us 6 cm. Okay? Now practice 5. Part A, answer. 18 degrees. Part B, 4 cm. Part C, 244 degrees. Who needs help for part A? B? C? C, okay. So we're supposed to find DGF. DGF, this angle over here, which corresponds to this angle over here. Let us divide this. Okay, I can divide it this way. If this is angle X, then this must be, how much is this? 74 minus X, okay, minus X. Then, since this is X, how much must this be? How much must WZX be? This angle. Given that it is about 18 degrees and X degrees. So what must the last angle be? 180 minus 18 minus X. Yes? Now, how much is this one? This angle is? What is this angle? Angles of triangle again, right? 180 minus 24 minus 74 minus X. Okay? Now my final part. Wait, they are asking for which angle? DGF. Hang on. DGF. They are looking for acute, obtuse or reflex? Okay, apparently they are requesting for this angle. Okay, it is not explicit in the question DGF. It can actually mean the reflex, can mean the obtuse. Regardless, as long as you know how to find one, you can find the other, right? Because it's just 360 minus. So since I gave you the answer as 244 just now, we shall now find this angle over here, which is actually made up of angle DGF equals to, let's add them up, 180 degrees minus 18 minus x plus 180 minus 24 minus 74 minus x. So calculator, 180 minus all this stuff, you should get 244 degrees. Okay, has anybody tried? The x and x, they will just naturally cancel off. Hand? Is there anybody who did it using another method? Another method, another answer? What is your method? What is the method?
If I add one triangle, this one triangle, right? So if I want to find these two, I use 180 minus 74 minus 24 minus 18. So I get these two, 180 minus these two minus 8.
Oh, but you're getting this angle instead of this one.
Yeah.
So once you get this angle, right, can you take 360 minus this one, you get 244?
I think so.
360 minus 116.
Yeah.
No, they. 360 minus 116, what do you get? 244. Oh, okay, same. Yaojin, right? Yaojin has another method. If you're interested, you can go and find out. I have another method actually, in addition to this. It still requires me to draw this line, but now I know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180, plus this one plus this one plus this one is 360. Angle sum of a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrilateral is 360. So since all of them add up to be 360 degrees, I just take 360 minus 18 minus 74 minus 24. I also get my answer. Same. Just shorter. Practice 6 is your homework. Let's move on to enlargement and reduction. Stop talking. Enlargement and reduction. In this diagram, AB, the image of ABC is actually DEF. So this is our after. This is our before. Look at the keywords for this topic, enlargement and reduction. Can you tell me if there is enlargement or reduction? Enlargement, right? Quite obvious, lah. It's an enlargement. They are still similar. So express the ratio of length of the image to the length of the original. Let's fill in the blanks quickly. AB over DE. That's 4 over 8, which is half. BC. BC over EF. 5 over 10, which is still half. Something over DF must be AC. 6 over 12, which is still half. So the ratio is the same. So over here, in this particular question, it's half. Okay, we don't need to write that. Ratio is the same. So in this case, when we enlarge it this way, we also have something known as the scale factor. Hang on, image of ABC. there's a typo. This is the image of, there's an error over here. Change this to DEF. Is triangle ABC. This is the before, and this is the after. Okay, please make these changes. It is a very important change. The image of DEF, so DEF is my before, is actually ABC. ABC is my after. So there is a enlargement or reduction. Reduction. Okay, it got smaller. REDUCTION. Okay, now the ratio is the same. I want you to put down also is the scale factor. Okay, scale factor. In maths, we also had a scale. 1 is to 1 million, 1 is to 100. It is a scale. In this case, this ratio is known as our scale factor. How do we get this ratio? How do we get this scale factor? I used one side divided by the other side. Which side did I use? The before or the after? Something divided by something. Is it a before divided by after or after divided by before? In this case, what do you think? Quite obvious. Which one is it? After over before, right? So this is my after, and this is before. So after divided by before. Now 4 divided by 8, obviously I get half. Small number divided by big number, you will get a fraction that is smaller than 1. So what this means is that whenever I see scale factor in this box, put a star. The length of a side of an image. Image means after. Length of the corresponding side of the original. Just include this word to help you remember. It is the after divided by the before. After divided by before. It gives you the scale factor. So this scale factor will be able to tell us whether the object has been enlarged or reduced. Obviously, enlarged means get bigger. Reduced means get smaller. So let me test your understanding. These are some examples to help us understand further. So this is the original. This is image 1. That is an enlargement to the right. Then I've got image 2, which is a reduction to the left. Now if we just consider the enlargement, okay, all this is for the enlargement because I've got prime, 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 and prime. Just one apostrophe, so that's prime. So d prime a prime divided by dA is d prime a prime 8 divided by 4, which is actually 2 over 1, which is 2. Okay? You can choose any of these. 12 divided by 6, 8 divided by 4, 6 divided by 3. You will still get 2. So this is 2 over 1, which is 2. Since this is greater than greater than 1, it means it is an enlargement. Now, let's try on the other side, the reduction. D double prime A double prime. So that's 2. 2 over 4, which is actually half. So this is less than 1. So it is a reduction. Moving on. The scale factor of reduced image 2 is actually half. Then the scale factor of the enlarged one is 2. Greater than 1 must be enlargement. This must be reduction. So this one you've already told me the answer is the same. So we say that they are congruent figures. Because same size, same shape. Part A. Scale factor equals to, which one is the original? You must decide which is the before, which is after. So let us just put it in quickly. A, B, C is the before. This must be our after. So after minus divided by before is 9/3, which is 3. That's the scale factor. It got bigger. Part B, find the length xz. So xz divided by corresponding side, which is AC, must be equal to the scale factor again. Or you can use what we have learned in the previous topic for similarity. But it must be equal to the scale factor because after over before. So xz equals to 3 times of AC, which is 5, to give us 15 cm. And finally for part C, xyz. xyz must be 115 degrees. Okay, I'm aware that the bell has gone.